Here's what you can do in order to try to solve issues with your hotspot not working on other devices on iPhone 17. So, first of all, we're gonna go to settings and let's just go to personal hotspot. The first thing that you can do is simply turn off and turn back on your personal hotspot. Although it might sound silly sometimes, this simple thing works as well. Now, another thing that is quite important is that your device and the other device should have Wi-Fi and Bluetooth enabled. This might actually depend whether you want to share the access to the internet by using Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. It doesn't really matter, it's up to the other device, but essentially you want to make sure anyway that the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth is enabled just in case. And remember that your device must be within 30 feet or 10 meters of one another. And also you can enable maximize compatibility in personal hotspot in order to make sure that your hotspot on your iPhone 17 can be detected by devices that may not support latest standards that the iPhone 17 has. So in order to make sure that it is detectable, just enable maximize compatibility. And that's all you can do in order to solve this issue. And in case you have issue with the connection itself, or actually how the connection works on other devices, if the hotspot is actually quite slow, then this is of course the matter of your cellular data or mobile data. So you want to make sure that the mobile data or cellular data is working properly and there are no issues on that side. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.